back to the channel. As you can see from the title, today we are going to be creating a wig with some beauty supplies. So here, disclaimer, says don't have them millions of dollars. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but since I have no money to be spending $1,500 and up for bundles or for freaking lace front wigs or lace closure wigs with Peruvian, Mongolian, Brazilian, Malaysian, everybody, and the granny. So I did some researching online and I saw that Sensationnel has a 1-pack 7A unprocessed virgin hair like kit kind of thing. So this is the hair right here. I was kind of surprised I found this in Trinidad because I've been looking for like other stuff and could not find it. Like Cute and Beauty is the plug on Charlotte in Port of Spain, but sometimes it just doesn't have it, and once they may have it, I don't know where else they have it. But I'm so happy that I found this one. It's the straight, just now wait, I'm not butchering putting it. Yes, it says straight. And this comes in 12, 14 and 16 inches, and I think the closure is a 12-inch closure. I'm not too sure that 12 inches or 10 inches from what I see like online and thing. So it's a 4x4 lace closure, 7A unprocessed virgin hair. So this is what it looks like. I'll give you a bigger thing. And to the back it says you could bleach perm, it doesn't tangle, it's heat safe, curl safe, and obviously reusable. It says double wefted, sourced from only the highest quality of hair, unaltered by dyes, perms and bleaching, versatile texture, soft Swiss lace, natural edges, and the lace closure you could do multiple patterns. So it's not just like a T closure. Is basically 3 parts, so you can do a little side part, you can do a middle part, depending on what you decide to do. And they tell you if you go to bleach the hair, and depending on what you use, that's what will come off. This was $600 for the pack, which in my opinion real good. I had seen another one, oh god, Soprano is the brand, but I didn't get to research that brand before I went to the store. But when I researched it, this and the Soprano is like the best beauty supply store here if you want to be able to do all the things that you just normally do it, you know, all the bundles and things. You can do the same thing. So these are the bundles right here. This is it here. There's all 3 lengths. So the 12, the 14 and the 16. Okay, yeah man, that could be a good length. You see, because I put the 16 to the bottom. Yes, it could be longer. But yeah, so these are them. I am not getting any strands or anything coming out. When I pull, I ain't get nothing. The hair, the smell, it have like, I know what kind of smell it is, but it's not like, it's smelling like, I don't know what to say it's smelling like, because I honestly don't know what it's smelling like. So I had already planned to wash it before I make the wig, so that is what I'm going to be doing. Closure, they put this here to hold on the baby hairs, because when I take it off just now, you just see like all that, the little small flyaways, them little short ones there, like the so-called baby hair. So let me put this back on. So here's the back. It's a proper closure. It's not like the rest of them could have some that say closure on it, and it's just be like a middle part that they could do, because the rest be like stitch on. So no, proper thing. This is it here. Pulling. Okay, I get 1 strand. I don't know if you can see that. Can you all see that strand? I got 1 strand right here. But that's it against my skin there. It's a bit dark, but I could always just put my foundation and color judge. Untitled. So I just finished watching them. What I ended up doing is taking off the pink ribbon and stuff and just putting the numbers on them as they finish wash, because I honestly didn't want to wash without it, because I might my brain does, you know, yeah, it's do a bit one sometimes and I might forget. So I have them here drying, and I figured out the smell is like relaxer, you know, relaxed hair, how it smell. That's how it was smelling, because as soon as I wash it I was like, okay, this is how my hair used to smell when I had relaxer in it and I wash it. So I think they relax this hair to get it, I guess, straight or whatever. Me and the business, once the hair work, I good to go. I will customize that closure in the morning. Please Lord, after they don't dry. They said that you could either blow dry it or air dry it. I rather air dry it. Let me just see what will go on and sing in the morning. Please Lord. So yeah.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours.
easy to be misunderstood. No one knows I'm acting every time they're asking. Make them believe that it's all good. Faking smiles and laughing, playing like I'm happy all the time. The girl who can do everything, never bothered by anything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm down on Melrose with my friends. Everybody's smoking, honestly I'm lonely. My mind is somewhere else again. Scrolling through my Insta, don't wanna get into this right now. The girl who's down for anything, go out to forget everything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. Keep telling everyone, leave me the hell alone. Don't need a shoulder to cry on. But maybe I'm confused, only know how to lose. People I got to rely on. The girl who can do everything, never bothered by anything. Crying till I can't cry no more. What the hell am I crying for? Keep saying I'm okay, I'm okay. Telling them I'm okay, I'm okay. Even though mascara's running down my face. Really, I'm okay.